Hi guys, today I'm playing Scary Bad Teacher. Okay, let's just play it, but it's scary. It's scary and the teacher's bad. Oh my god. I don't think it was this good. Okay, just press this. No, I don't like the oh, I don't like. Okay, where is it today? There. Let's wait for the. Okay, there we go. Loading. Okay, wait. Oh no, that's the teacher.
This student hurt me a lot, so I decided to leave this school. I will never back to this school.
I'm confused. This stuff is like, oh god, it's so weird. Leave the school. Let's read it. Oh, it's obvious I can't read it. Let's play. Okay. We forgot my backpack. Let's just go to the school. No, it's not there. This is my bedroom, right? This is my bedroom. Open the door. This is my breakfast. Okay, where is Candy? Oh, where is it? No. Where should I open the door? There or here? Yes, there. Ooh, the school is so close. Wow, and my house. Wow, I'm so. Okay, I forgot to close the door at my house. We got it. Okay, let's close it. I'll close it. Yeah, I can't close it. Let's go. Let's go. No. Oh, I'm at the school. Let's see my house. Wow! And the school, wow, the school is so close. I'm just walking fast. Where is the teacher? The teacher can be not here. He says Miss Bella leave the school. So all had fun for this. Oh no! The teacher's right there! Oh no. Jump! The teacher is right there. What? Excuse me. Stop saying bad words. What's that? That's again? Okay. Oh, this. I don't like to download it. Don't worry, guys. I'll download it. Wait.
There's something wrong right now. There's a lot of pressure, and we need to fight the flight of the sympathetic nervous system.
Oh, I'm back at my house. Why? Oh, the picture. So I know where the teacher can be. Oh wait, I'm gonna open the door. Oh wait. Can I go inside at the pool? Yeah. Wait, I can't swim. I can't swim at the pool. Oh, this is my footprint. At the pool. Maybe my mom will get angry. I need to go to school. So where is it? Okay.
3 seminars,
Oh, I got
and 3
the school in my house
and
and right there.
may chance ka pang manalo ng laptop, desktop, cash, staycation, at
Oh,
madami pa.
where's the
Bago
teacher?
makasista
Is it the third floor? Oh, maybe the school is third floor. Ah, I'm right. There's one, no, only one, two, two. I don't know what the school feels like. Let's open the store. We're all scared of the teacher. At least you can see the gate. Let's see. I'm all scared to get in. I need mom. Okay. Where's the teacher? Is that third floor? Okay, let's just get in.
Register na sa ating number 3 is Filipino BA Labs. Kailangan ng experience, depende. Starting sa virtual assistant agencies na kaya
Oh, she's downstairs. That's weird. Okay, she's not there. Oh, I know that room. Is that room? As you can see, can I hear? I see Miss Bella right there. Let's see. Ooh, come on, yes.
Basta classic na pelikulang Pilipino, meron tayo yan. Na kailangan magkarapusan sa shop. Ang the best pa niyan, libre ito.
The teacher,
Pupunta kayo sa bahay.
I'm scared of
Makakapagmaili na kayo. Kaya magtawag na ng makakasama niyong maluwag.
I know that.
Kapilya Throwback. Every day, dito lang sa iHeart Movies. Experience all the feels. Fit mo ba?
Oh, I saw him right there. I mean, I saw her right.
Opet mong umiyak sa kakatawa. Kapatid mo ang misteryo at mahiga.
Wait, I thought it was her. Guys, I'm scared because it's so creepy. Look at this weird, guys. Oh no, I thought it's there. Everything just gonna leave the school. Oh no. Oh no, she's right there. Wow. Go up to this right, guys. Weird. I know where she's going. Is that right? Oh, oh no! Please don't go up there. I can't leave here. Oh, I can't. Oh, There. Oh no, I need to go so you can see me. I'm scared of oh, ooh. You're not going here, right?
Milo, energy to build champions in life. Let's bring out a champion in every Filipino. Kamali ka.
How can I get out? Just here.
Pupunta na ito mamaya.
Let's go, okay.
Ako rin salamat sa pag-itas mo sa akin, pare. Ano ginagawa mo, pare? Hindi ko alam, pero pag may siguro na ito ang customs, patay na siya. Ako,
It's right there.
Hindi mo naman siguro gagawin ang iniisip ko, no?
parang gano'n na nga. Sasama mo pa ako, bro? Oo. Sige, pare, mag-seatbelt ka na. Sige, pakisabi mo sila ngayon. Sige, magkasama tayo dito. Bakit ka?
Oh no! Oh no! Again! Go just off the screen. Bye guys. If you like this Scary Bad Teacher, subscribe, okay? Bye.